Christmas time. Okay, so I'm gonna install Christmas theme Windows 7 on this computer because it's Christmas. Well, okay, so let's go. I think I have to press a little button on this side. Wait, what should I press? Or never mind. My mother's pen, of course. Let's press. And just wait. Boot menu. Oh, boot menu. And USB. Yep, works for now. It's booting. Oh, and it's in. Yep, the trackpad works. Because well, it has to work. Oh god, loud. Yes, I'm here. Let's choose another keyboard because I don't have an US keyboard. Okay, this is okay for now. Install. Let's put something there. And here we go. Accept. I think it's there. Delete everything. On the disk 0, of course. Delete. It's the hard drive, I remember. So it's not an SSD, sadly. Next. And installing. Okay, finally. So let's type the information now. PC, yeah. This is actually a good name. PC. No. 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 Yep, okay. The clock was wrong, but I don't care. Okay, so it's preparing now. Yes, and I'm there. Let's see what do I have here now. Okay, Santa, of course. Graphical glitch. Yep, graphical glitches. This is Windows 7. Not Windows. Exit. Exit. Games. What do I have here? Masher. Okay, so it's just Christmas themed Windows 7, nothing special. Okay, hi, I'm back now. Okay, so Windows 8 menu, I mean it looks like Windows 8. Let's see if I have some themes there. Oh, there. And then appearance and personalization. And personalization. No 7, South Africa, what is this? Okay, so it's this, whatever it is. Christmas. Architecture. So just Christmas. Characters. Landscapes. But the taskbar looks awful. Okay, I want check everything. It's just Christmas. Longhorn. Let's just see. Let's just go to basic again. Control panel. And let's increase the resolution because yeah, it's too low. Okay, better. Okay, it's better now actually. This doesn't look the best actually. Opera, I think this is too ancient for 2015. Opera has the ancient logo. Yep. This logo. No. No. And what is Windows Loader? And let's see what version is this, because I have no idea. 26.0. I think this is pretty old. Yep, this one is also ancient. And what is this now? OEM. Okay. So I can do just this. Okay, this will be OEM 6.7 update. Let's see the OEM now. It's 6.7. The 6.7 is the OEM. Oh, not here. Here and here. Yep, 6.7 support. Manufacturer 6.7. Yeah. (24/7). What's online? Oh, I don't have the internet. Let's play the dinosaur. Play. What? I think it's not playable. Okay. I think it wasn't playable back then. Let's check if this works actually. Okay, probably not. Let's just shut down because it looks horrible. This is not Christmas. Okay.